everyone, in this tutorial we'll share about easy way how to create twisted sunburst vector background with Inkscape. This method was found by Liver Labs. I just make a slightly different, credits to him, I put a link in description. Let's begin. First, let's make some circle. Click this circle tool, then hold Ctrl Shift to make some proportional scale, like this. And you see this circle handle, just drag it, and hold Ctrl while dragging, like this. This for the sunburst part, we're going to rotate it later. Let's make this become path. Go to path, choose object to path. Scale it up, click this and hold Ctrl Shift. Make some proportional scale around this. Place it on here. Then we're going to move the rotate point. Just click twice until you see this rotate arrow. This rotate point, just move it to here. And you can zoom it by Ctrl mouse wheel up. Make sure it's in the corner. Okay, around this. Next thing to do, we're going to make the twisted effect. Press F2 on this middle of the line. Just drag down like this. And here as well too. Just drag it down around this. And I change the color to this by pressing D to activate the dropper tool. Click this color. Now you can input this color code to this form. Okay. We're going to make the clockwise rotation. Go to Object, Transform, and choose this Rotate tab. Make it by 30. If you hit apply, it will move to 30 degree like this. So the trick is press Ctrl D to duplicate, then hit apply. Again, press Ctrl D and hit apply. Same step, press Ctrl D again, then hit apply. So just repeat the step. And make your group. Select this and just unselect this palette. Press Ctrl G to group. Alright, just move it to here for a moment. We're gonna make the background with rectangle. Click this and make sure you active this snap to the border and this snapping. Move on this corner and drag down to the bottom and change the color to this color. Alright, align it to the center. Click this and this, hold shift. Go to this align and distribute objects. Change the relative to last selected because our last selected is the background. Click this icon to bring up to the center. Like this. Move this background to the back. Just click and click this icon. Just scale up this sunburst object. Hold Ctrl Shift to make some proportional scale. Around this. We're going to make the clipping mask. Click the background and press Ctrl D to duplicate. Select these two and right click, choose set clip. Alright, pretty nice. So the last thing, we're going to add the text element. Text tool, press T, then type some and change the font to Pantone to the italic style. You can download the font in the link description. Just scale it up, bring up to the center, change the relative to the page and click the center icon. Just scale it down a little. Next, you're going to make the outer stroke. Duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D and change the color to this color. And you can swap it to become a stroke. Right click, choose swap fill and stroke. Increase the stroke width by going to edit objects and go to the stroke style. Make it by 80. Make a little darker by going to the stroke pen tab. This in HSL. Just select down the lightness so it make a little darker. And move it to the lower back by pressing F1. Click. And click this icon. And change the inner one to white color. Make some extrusion effect by duplicating this outer stroke. Press Ctrl D and place it on around this. Move it to the lower back. Then with Bezier tool, we're going to connect this and this. Press B. And on here, click this and this. Click this and hold shift to load the corner, then release. Bring up to this. Press D to change the color to same color and remove the stroke. Do the same. Hope you learned something new, how to create this twisted sunburst vector background with Inkscape. I'm Zaki from Zaki Design. Create something good today. Thanks for watching.